Most people using AI are leaving money on the table. They're asking it to write their emails, generate their ideas, maybe make a logo. But there's a quiet group of people, I call them shadow prompters, who figured out a different game. And some of them are pulling in $200 a day doing work most people don't even know exists. Problem. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Businesses, coaches, consultants, and creators all want to use AI, but they have no idea how to talk to it. They get generic garbage back, bland outputs, robotic copy that sounds like a press release from 1997. So they give up and assume AI just doesn't work for them. That's your opening. The concept. Ghost prompting is exactly what it sounds like. You become the invisible engineer behind someone else's AI workflow. You don't build apps, you don't write code, you just know how to ask. You craft the system prompts, the chains, the templates, and co, and you hand them over. The client uses them and gets results they couldn't get on their own. You get paid. Nobody knows your name. Classic ghost work. Think of yourself as a personal trainer, but for AI. Your client wants the results. They just need someone who knows the reps. How to start? Step 1. Pick a niche. Don't try to prompt for everyone. Pick one. Real estate agents, e-commerce brands, LinkedIn coaches, newsletter writers. Pick one world and go deep. Step 2. Build a prompt pack. That's a set of 10 to 15 custom prompts tailored specifically to that niche. A real estate agent might need prompts for listing descriptions, follow-up emails, and social captions. Package that up. Step 3. Sell the pack. Start on Gumroad, Etsy, or even a simple Google Doc link. Price it between $27 and $97. Or pitch it directly to businesses as a done-for-you setup. That's where the $200 days come from. One client setup at $200. 2 in a week, done. Scale. Once you've got a pack that works, you productize it. Offer a monthly prompt maintenance retainer. As AI tools update, your prompts need updating too. Clients love this. It's recurring revenue for you. You can also license the same pack to multiple clients in the same niche. Build it once, sell it many times. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need a huge following. You just need to understand one thing better than your client does. And that's how to talk to AI. That skill? Worth $200 a day, minimum. Start with one niche, build one pack, make one sale. The rest follows. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.